Hello, second grade. Here we are at Tynker.com. And last week the students worked on the first four. Welcome, use conditional logic, apply advanced logic, animations and sound. So that's what we did last week. If you did not finish these first four, please do that this week. This week I also would like the students to do number 5, apply negative logic, use more variety of conditional statements and loops. And then also number 6, use nested logic, use advanced logic to do jump over different kind of obstacles. Okay, so I'm going to do a few of them for you on number 5 and number 6 so you can see how to do it here. Okay, so now we have different blocks here. We have the jump and the walk, which we've used. We have repeat until power cell, which is here. And we have if not bomb, else. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to repeat until. We're going to repeat until the power cell. What do we want to do? If we're not at the bomb, what do you want to do if you're not at the bomb? If you're not at the bomb, you're going to walk. If you're not at the bomb, you walk. Else, if you can't walk, what should you do? You should jump. Okay, so let's look at that again. Repeat until power cell. If not at bomb, what are you going to do if you're not at the bomb? You're going to walk. Okay, and then if you can't walk, what else would you do? You would jump. Repeat until power cell. Now we jump, we walk. Okay, I'll do another one with the students.
Can you get the ray gun? Use long jump to jump over 2 obstacles and land on the other side.
Okay, so let's look at this one here. If double bombs, then long jump. Okay, so if you have a double bomb, you're going to long jump. And what are you going to do first? First, you got to walk. So first I walk. And if there's 2 bombs, what am I going to do? It's a conditional. If then. If 2 bombs, I do a long jump, then I got to walk. And notice I don't put the walk in here because when I see the 2 bombs, I just jump. Okay? And then after this conditional statement, if 2 bombs long jump, then I walk. So walk, and then if you see 2 bombs jump, do a long jump, and then what you're going to do is you walk to the gun.
Can you get the ray gun? Use super jump to jump high over the stacked aliens and land on the other side.
Okay, this is the last one I'll do. You do walk, then you have to do a super jump, walk, super jump, walk, walk. Okay, so this is one section, and after this one I'll show you the next section. Okay, so now I want to show you the next section. Okay, so this is number 6 here. Use nested logic. Now you're going to do all of lesson 5. I'm just doing part of it for the video, and I want you to do the entire section 5. And after you do lesson 5, you got to do all of lesson 6 as well. So I'll show you a few of these nested logic lesson 6. Okay, so let's look at this. First we walk, and then we jump over this guy. So walk and jump, and then we can't jump over these guys. We have to do a super jump. Do a super jump. Walk, super jump. I'm sorry, walk, jump, super jump, and walk.
Get the power cell, but do a long jump if there are double bombs.
Okay, so here's where you get a little tricky. Repeat until power cell. So we're going to repeat until we get to the power cell here. What are we going to do? If there's an alien, you jump. If there's an alien, you jump. And if there's a double bomb, if there's a double bomb, now here's where it's tricky. You have to put this in here. Okay? You have to put this in the right spot here. Because if you put it out here, it will only do it one time. We have to put it in here because we're going to say repeat until. If there's an alien, jump. If there's the double bombs, you do a long jump. And if you're not doing a long jump, what are you going to do? You're going to walk. Okay? So, repeat until you get to the power cell. If there's an alien, you jump. If there's a double bombs, then you do the long jump. And if you can't do the long jump, what else are you going to do? You do your walk. So this is an if, then, else. If there's double bombs, then you do a long jump. Else, you do your walk. Jump. Double bombs, long jump. Double bombs, long jump. And then you're going to walk. Else. Okay? So, the children are going to do number 5 and number 6 this week. If you did not do these last week, please complete these. Okay? So last week you were supposed to do these ones. If you didn't get to it, please finish it this week. We're going to do number 5, apply negative logic, and also do the entire lesson 6, use nested logic.